In this video, I will show you how to delete files and folders in OneDrive. So to get started, go ahead and open OneDrive on your device. Now head over into the My Files section by clicking on this My Files button at the left side of your screen. So in here, simply go ahead and check the files that you want to delete from your files. So you'll find this hollow circles at the left side of each file. So simply go ahead and check the files that you want to delete and then click on this delete button to delete these files. So you'll need to confirm the deletion, and once this is deleted, you'll find that on the recycle bin. So if you've accidentally deleted an important file, you can simply retrieve it from the recycle bin. And that's basically how you can delete files and folders in OneDrive.